welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and I'm pretty excited because we're going to Disney. We are gonna do our packing today. So we're supposed to leave this evening. My husband has to work today, and in the evening we're gonna head out. We're probably gonna go to Epcot today, but I haven't even started packing. All I've packed is my clothes. So there is a lot to pack. I gotta pack all of the kids' clothes, and then on top of that, we always cook on our vacation. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, which Cheerios, we do have our tea here. But my kids just really don't do well eating out all the time. We'll eat every once in a while at a restaurant, like maybe once a day, whether it's lunch or dinner. But most of the time, I do try to cook. And for breakfast, they don't have breakfast at the hotel that we're staying at this time around. So I do have to bring all the breakfast stuff. So we're gonna start packing all of our kitchen stuff because my daughter is still sleeping and I don't wanna wake her up. Later, we're gonna move on to the kids' clothes, but I'm gonna try to kind of share with you guys what is it that I take when we do bring food, cookware, etc. We are driving to Disney, so I am very aware that if you're flying, this would not happen, this portion of the video. So I'm gonna leave timestamps down below in case you wanna jump around, in case you're not really interested in seeing what I take for the kitchen. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, baby. So usually what I do is I create a menu for our stay, and based on that, that's when I start packing the utensils. Sometimes the rooms will have the utensils, sometimes they won't. So I always prep for the worst. I always bring a fork, one cutting knife, one spatula, some of these because we're gonna be making chicken wings. And I'm also going to bring a spoon, a wooden spoon. Usually for the cutting board, I just use paper towel. I don't even like get that because it's not worth bringing. And I always bring one measuring cup, one sort of cup. This is for rice. This is also for pancake mix and whatnot. So I have a notes section on my phone that I'm gonna check because sometimes I forget things. So in my notes, it's called Disney 1 week trip because normally we go for about a week, and I have a list here, as you can see. I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but at the top I have like clothes for the kids, things that I need, but at the bottom, that's when I usually have like all of the kitchen stuff. So as you can see, last time I was able to just mark off whatever we needed. So today we're gonna do the same thing. I even have food because I tend to cook the same food when we go on vacation because it's just easy for me to have like a set menu. And this is how I make sure I have everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this, and we're going to start packing that. All right, so we have one bowl because I mix eggs as well as pancakes in here. I usually bring a pretty small one. I don't need like a large one. We make it work. Paper plates. We also have this. This is a tortilla kind of storage container, but it's great for like scrambled eggs, sausage. If I'm making pancakes, I place it in there. We have the bottles for the girls. This is a formula container, but I also use it for snacks. So if I want to put fruit, for example, and take it to the park, it's great for that. And then we have some pouches for yogurts. I get 3 because there's 3 kids, obviously. You already saw the utensils. I also bring my probe. I always take my electric oil pour skillet because I can set it and forget it. So we can like put, you know, say for example, a whole chicken in it. I'll set the timer, the temperature, it'll turn off, and leave it in low while we're at the park. And then we come back and we have dinner already made. So it's super convenient. I love this piece, like I said. And then we have cleaning supplies. So I have Dawn, this little Dawn soap. The bottle's cleaner. We have here a measuring cup. And that is basically it for all of this. But now we're going to start packing the food. So, as you can see here, I have my menu. Today, we're probably just going to eat lunch here and then have dinner out somewhere in the parks. But starting Tuesday for breakfast, I have pancakes. So I have to prep everything that I need for pancakes. I need the mix plus eggs, and then we just use water. Then we have PBJs. I have some frozen PBJs that I buy from Target. Those little Lunchable ones. They're just convenient for when we travel, so I do buy those. And we have chicken wings with salad, white rice, and carrot and fruit. So this is what I'm going to now start to pack. And for the food, we like to use these BJ's bags. I mean, like I said, this is obviously convenient because we road trip. If I were flying, this would not be happening. And for our last day there, usually I have to like rush out because we have to pack and whatnot. So I always bring muffins, yogurt, and fruit for the last day, and that's our breakfast. And then we have some mac and cheese boxes because one of the night is gonna be mac and cheese. So we try to make it as easy as possible. All right, so we have most of the stuff packed. I got snacks, so fruit. We got the Boom Chicken Pop, these little peanut butter pretzels. We have my tea, since I'm a tea girl now. We have seasoning. I usually just take salt, garlic salt and salt. That's all we need. We have rice, the bowl, the muffins, and applesauce. The rest of the stuff is in the fridge. So right before we leave is when I pack all the cold stuff. And I always make sure to have a list so I won't forget. Oh yeah, and then here is the pancake mix. So now we're gonna go upstairs and move towards the kids' clothes. Okay, it is chaos, but these are the same ones that we used the last time. I love them. This row is my daughter's row. This is the baby's row, and this is my son. This one is all of mine, including my tennis shoes. And we have over here my, what's it called? Toiletries. We also have a sound machine, and this is socks, underwear, things like that. So on that side, it's gonna be my husband's clothes and shoes, and hopefully we're almost done with the clothes. This is where it starts getting a little chaotic. So I placed my electric oil core skillet. I wrapped the lid around this blanket, which my son uses at the hotel. And then these are some sheets. We're taking the blow up mattress because they don't have an extra bed. They only had king size available. So we're gonna have to bring the blow up, which normally we don't. And then right here, as you can see, we have my little kitchen bag that goes right there. On this side, we place the pack and play covers. These covers are great because hotel rooms don't really have the best lighting. So we always bring them. If we had another bed, we would put my son in the other bed, and we have these bumper blow-ups. So these are awesome. You blow them up and then you put one on each side, and it creates a barrier so they don't fall off the bed. Makes it really convenient because then you don't have to bring like the blow-up bed, sheets, etc. But since we're not having another bed, we're just gonna leave this on the side. Now, for my diaper bag, I'm going to switch to this one. This is the one that we have been using because my original one of this one, actually the strap broke when I washed it. Our washer is not the best, and I think it got caught and it broke, and then it was just about to fall apart. So we got another one. It lasted 4 years, and it would have lasted longer if my washer didn't mess it up. But we're gonna switch all the stuff from here to here. And you guys, I took off the tags. One of the main reasons I love this bag is it has 11 pockets. That is what you need when you have multiple kids. Okay, we have this little packing cube with diapers. So the girls are all set with that. And I usually place it right on here. We need 2 sheets for the pack and place. This is my makeup. And then right in here in the middle, we're probably gonna put some of the girls' blankets that they sleep with and that they'll use at the hotel. This is it. Toiletries, sunscreen, detergent in case we need it, blankets for the girls, blankets for my son, diapers, kitchen products, my makeup down there, the girls' bows and hair thingies, things to put in their hair ties. And then we have their packing cube with the baby's sleep sack, undergarments, my clothes, a sound machine. We have my daughter's lotion. They suffer from eczema, so we have to travel with that. And then this one, let me open it up so you guys can take a peek. We have here packing cubes for my husband, 1 and 2. Extra pairs of shoes for the kids, some Crocs, and my husband's toiletries. On top of that, we have these little mats that we use for the pack and place. Sometimes you pack and you still forget things. Wipies, I totally forgot wipies, and I'm also bringing this little foldable chair. It's awesome for the baby to eat. So the big kids have chairs and then she sits in this one on the table. It's great. The cooler stuff is all in here and here. I have my eggs in here, and then this is all snacks and stuff to cook. So it's 3 things. It's a lot, but it saves money and my kids actually eat, so kind of non-debatable. All right, we are officially packed and in the car and on our way to Disney. So with that being said, it's always chaotic trying to leave the house, not going to lie. I always forget something, so we'll see what I forget. But I hope you guys enjoyed this raw, real in the life, pack all in one day type of video. And I will leave you with some Epcot fun. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best